Hi guys, here are the answers to our revision questions for today. So the first question at the top here is question 5 and it is a change the subject question. So the equation says p equals r cubed b minus 5 and we're going to change the subject to r. So the first thing I would get you to do is write this the other way around, just so that the letter that you are looking to be the subject is on the left hand side of the equals sign. So if we just write that the other way around, it will say r cubed b minus 5 equals p. So the first thing we're going to do is add 5 to both sides. So that's going to give us r cubed b equals p plus 5. We're then going to divide by b. So we're going to get r cubed equals p plus 5 divided by b. And then because we want r and this is r cubed, we're going to take the cube root of both sides. So r equals, and then it's going to be a cube root sign with p plus 5 over b inside. Okay, question 7 is a trig graph, and we've been told here part of the graph of y equals cos bx is shown in the diagram. State the value of b. This would be a 1 mark question, nice and quick to do. So for that b value, we're looking at the period of the graph. So you can see here that you have one cos wave between 0 and 120. So because you could fit one of these into 120, we're looking at how many we could fit into 360. So we could get 3 of those into 360. 3 lots of 120 give you 360. So b is equal to 3. Now the last question here today is to find the point of intersection of the straight lines with equations 2x plus y equals 5 and x minus 3y equals 6. So this is a simultaneous equation question. So first thing I'm going to do is write my two equations one above the other, making sure that the x and y terms are all on the left hand side in each equation, and they are in this case already on the left hand side. So x minus 3y equals 6. So I'm going to number my equations 1 and equation 2. So we need to have our letters either both the x terms the same number or both the y terms the same number. So I'm going to go for making my y terms the same number. So I'm going to multiply that top equation by 3 so that I get 3y. So that will make that equation then say 6x plus 3y equals 15. And I'm going to call that equation 3. So if I just write equation 2 underneath that, just to keep the two that I'm going to use together, so x minus 3y equals 6, we are now going to eliminate the 3y terms. We've got plus 3y and minus 3y. So the way that we would do that is because they're the same sign, we're going to add our equations. So remember, if it's the same sign, we add, same sign subtract, different sign we add. So because we have different signs here, we're going to add these equations together to eliminate. So if we're adding, we've got 6x plus x to get 7x. We've then got 3y minus 3y, so that's 0. And then 15 plus 6 is 21. So now we can solve this for x. So we're going to get x equals 3. And then we're going to substitute x equals 3 into equation 1 at the beginning to get our y value. So we've got 2x plus y equals 5. So x is 3, so it's 2 times 3 plus y equals 5. So that's 6 plus y equals 5, and we would subtract 6 from both sides. So y is going to be equal to minus 1. So the question said find the point of intersection. So the point of intersection as a coordinate is 3 minus 1.